My name is Michelle Gerson. I'm the principal designer and owner of Michelle Gerson Interiors. Welcome to my Kips Bay 2024 showroom. My initial conception for this space was, let's make it an entertaining space, something a little bit more exciting, like a sexy bar. One thing in this room that I think really speaks about this space, the floors. We took something familiar and put a little spin on it, like a checkerboard floor, only we elongated it, curved it, and made it slide across the floor. And that's how we came up with the name Slide from our Game On collection that we did with Artistic Tile. And I think when you come in here, you realize that these snakes aren't so scary after all. If you look at each one, they each have their own different pattern, and they're really, truly beautiful snakes. Artistic Tile definitely plays a huge role in it, and they made bringing this space together so easy. They really did.
My name is Beth Diana Smith, and I'm an interior designer. I wanted to do the wine cellar because it was a type of space I had not done before, and that's the beauty about show houses. You get to experiment, explore, and kind of do whatever you want. I saw the Calicata Rosa, and I just loved the pink. I also saw the Botanic Green quartzite, and based on that, it kind of made me adjust some of my other things. And then you see things, you fall in love, and then your palette and your textures just continue to develop. One of the things I loved about the Calicata Rosa is the transitions of varying colors. You see pinks, you see maroons, you see shades of white. I also saw those same shades of white in the Botanic Green quartzite, and I just loved how they played together. For the wine cellar, I wanted to make sure that it was not the traditional wine cellar. I wanted a space that someone could come and literally just hang out in their wine cellar.
I'm Justin Scott. I'm an interior designer, and my firm is Justin Scott Interiors. We definitely wanted a masculine space for the bathroom. It really started with Artistic Tile and falling in love with the groove tile that we have on the wainscoting here. It's a little bit fun, a little whimsical, definitely a little sexy as well, and has a slight retro vibe. We were looking for a material to complement the groove, and the Belvedere kind of was the clear winner by the end of the day, and it's incredible. Natural stone is always the most luxurious material in a bathroom. There's this warmth because it came from the earth. It wasn't made in a factory somewhere, and I think that is really important to making a space feel luxurious, welcoming, and beautiful. Walking into the room when it's complete, when you're working in a show house, is hugely satisfying.
My name is Philip Thomas. I'm an interior designer based here in New York with projects throughout the world. I decided to create a room called the Andes Club. I was inspired by a fabric that I discovered in Paris earlier this year. It was a fabric of the Andes Mountains. As a result, it also decided the choices that I made for the beautiful stones that I employed in my space. And when I approached Artistic Tile for a partnership for the show house, I sent them the palette for my space, and they immediately thought of Giallo Sienna, and they were 100% right. You know, having a contrast stone actually made you appreciate both the Giallo Sienna and the Rosa Aurorico even more. They have such a wonderful dialogue with one another that it's truly exciting and dynamic. It's my hope that when people come to visit me here at the show house, that they understand not only my appreciation for beauty, but also my appreciation for color and for telling a story in my spaces. And I'm really just so excited to share it with the world.
I'm interior designer Vanessa De Leon. This is my first Kips Bay show house. I wanted something a little bit more timeless, a little bit more Upper East Side. And when I found this particular tile called Tepetti, I said this is a home run. It's all about pushing the envelope. And I wanted to introduce yet another pattern, the West Wind, in the shower area. So I wanted to have a very moody environment. The green, the black, this pink that's very bright and sort of airy, if you will. In concert, I feel like they all work together and told a story. I wanted to feel flirty, moody, sexy. I wanted to feel serious, but not really. Having Artistic Tile Slab Gallery right in Secaucus, New Jersey, just a few minutes from Manhattan, is a dream. The gallery is so impressive. Everything is so organized, and it's so easy to walk around, so effortless, and they have everything I want.